Welcome back to BBB's 5-Minute English, where we take big ideas and explain them in simple English. I'm Luis.
And I'm Emmy. Today we talk about something very exciting. It is about space, rockets, and the future of human travel. The topic is Starship Flight 10.
If you follow space news, you know that Starship is the world's biggest rocket. It is made by SpaceX, the company started by Elon Musk. The goal of Starship is very clear: to take humans to the moon, and one day, even to Mars.
Yes. Flight 10, or the 10th test flight, became a big headline. Many people around the world watched it live. For some, it looked like science fiction coming true. For others, it was a question: can this really change the future of space travel?
Let's first explain. A test flight is like a big practice. Engineers check if the rocket can fly, if it can land, and if the systems work. Flight 10 showed big progress. The rocket launched successfully, and most parts worked better than before.
But it was not perfect. Some parts of the rocket had problems. The landing was not fully smooth. Still, the mission gave engineers a lot of new data. Each test helps to make the next flight stronger.
Now, let's think. Why does this matter to us? Well, space travel is not only for astronauts. If Starship works, it can lower the cost of rockets. That means, in the future, normal people might have the chance to travel to space.
And not only travel. Space technology can also help life on Earth. For example, faster internet from satellites, better science research, and new jobs in the space industry. Flight 10 was not just a rocket test, but also a step for the future economy.
Let's make it interactive now. A question for our listeners: would you like to go to space one day? A. Yes, I want to see the stars. B. Maybe, but I feel it is dangerous. C. No, I prefer to stay on Earth. Please share your answer in the comments. We'd love to know what you think.
That is a fun question. I think I would choose option A. I would love to see the Earth from space. Imagine looking down and seeing the blue oceans and white clouds. That must be beautiful.
I think I am more of a B. A. Space is exciting, but also risky. Rockets can explode. Things can go wrong. But maybe one day, when it is safe, I will go too.
Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. Starship is not only about one rocket. It is about a dream. Humans have always looked at the stars and asked, can we go there? Flight 10 shows that step by step, the dream is getting closer.
Some people worry. They say, why spend money on space when people on Earth still have problems? That is a fair question. But many experts answer, space research brings new technology, and this technology helps everyone.
Yes, just think about GPS in your phone. Or weather satellites that warn us about storms. These came from space science. So, Starship might one day give us new tools we cannot even imagine today.
There is also a job side to this. With more rockets, more engineers, more builders, more teachers, and even more space doctors will be needed. Space can open new career paths for young people today.
That is true. And I think it also inspires hope. When we see a rocket rise into the sky, we feel that humans can achieve big goals. That feeling can motivate students, scientists, and even normal people like us to dream bigger.
Okay, now let's take a short vocabulary break. The first word is rocket. A rocket is a vehicle that flies into space. Example 1, the rocket launched into the sky. Example 2, children love to play with toy rockets.
The second word is launch. To launch means to send something into the air or space. Example 1, they will launch a new satellite tomorrow. Example 2, the company plans to launch a new phone next month.
And the last word today is future. The future means the time after today. Example 1, we do not know what the future will bring. Example 2, studying hard will give you a better future.
Perfect. So today we learned 3 useful words: rocket, launch, and future. These are common when we talk about space, but also useful in daily life.
Let's wrap it up. Starship Flight 10 was not a final victory, but it was a big step. It showed progress, gave new data, and inspired people around the world. Space travel is no longer a dream far away, it is something we are building today.
Thank you for joining us on BBB's 5-Minute English. Please comment with your answer to our question, like this video, and subscribe for more fun podcasts. Until next time, keep learning, keep dreaming, and keep looking at the stars.
Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate your support. Before you leave, please give this video a like and add it to your favorites. And if you'd like to keep learning together with me, don't forget to subscribe to BBB Learning English. See you in the next video.